Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome in my video. Introduce my name, Iit Rahmadini, majors chemistry education Padang State University. Here, I want to tell about the anything that end in the month of Ramadan this year. I made this project English Pinates project, lecture Dian Safitri. Let's go. During the fasting months of Ramadan, we are faced and the disasters that is COVID-19. But we can move at home by doing a several days. I did this month of Ramadan, starting for morning, my activity, and eating down morning prayers, and the leaving the house to get fresh in the morning. Around 7, I study online, like reading books and making an assessment. After the studying, I help my friends work, like washing dishes, sweeping, and cooking. And the most important, that is praying 5 times the must be done. In the afternoon, I take a nap so that my body can be refreshed in the afternoon. And also after I wake up and help my mother and to make a menu and break into fast. And also at night and pray Tarawih at home. Then what I did was study like reading book and repetition and even teaching my brother to make an assessment. Okay, this is what I did in this year's fasting month, and hopefully for the next year I can do every more acceptably. Okay, see you next and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.